Hi, I'm Darren Hughes, and today with me is Billy, and we are directors of CASHOFF. So today we want to talk to you about a new type of cashback service. This type of cashback service is suitable for banks, loan providers, insurance companies, and other financial service companies. And this type of cashback service can do three things. It can increase engagement in your mobile application from your consumers. It can help lower your loyalty program costs. And actually, you and your consumers together can actually help make the world a better place. So what do I mean by how do you make the world a better place? There's a couple of things you can do with this type of cashback service. Of course, the customer can use that money as they wish, or they could use it to maybe pay off an outstanding loan with you as the provider. Or they could actually use this cashback they generate to actually make a charitable donation as well. But really, it's important that you understand that Hughes Europe did some research and showed that 74% of European consumers would give consent for additional data if the company would provide them with cashback on products and brands that they were already interested in. So let's quickly show you how we get some of that data so that we can provide customers with that type of cashback. So of course, Billy's just showing you here that within the mobile application, we can bring all of the bank accounts, savings accounts into one place. So that gives a complete financial position. In addition to that, we can get more data. We can jump across and actually add things like loyalty programs as well. So that's supermarket loyalty programs, store cards, and what we can do is we can get that transactional data to really get a better understanding of the spending habits of consumers. But we can also add additional things as well. We could add mobile phone operators, or we could add e-wallets. Now, it's really important that we get this data, this complete financial position for customers so that they can do their own personal financial management reporting. So they can set their categorization, they can monitor their spend, and they can really get a better financial position. And this gives them everything in one place. But of course, on top of that, they can set their own budgets and goals. And the bank can, of course, use that data to be able to make relevant targeted promotions to their consumers. Now, of course, what we do is we analyze that data ourselves as well using artificial intelligence and machine learning to promote highly relevant products to the individual. So in this case, what we're actually doing is finding those targeted products to provide the right type of product to the right individual at the right time. So I'm going to show you a way in which that's done with Cashback first. So Billy, if you could just click on Philips. So this is where I use an electric toothbrush, and every 90 days I have to replace the toothbrush heads. Kind of fairly useful that I get a notification from the banking app to tell me that I need to replace them. But more than that, because we know that they buy this particular brand, we can offer them a 30% cashback. So for me, that's a no-brainer. I'm buying this product already, and now I'm getting 30% off thanks to my bank. It shows that they understand me. But also, let's look at how the bank can use this also for their other products and services. In this instance, what we notice is that the consumer is starting to buy some baby products. So we understand that their financial position is changing. Therefore, we might want to think about the range of products or services that we would want to offer them. Could it be a child savings account? Could it be an additional insurance, perhaps, because they want to have more certainty in their life? The key to this, to really understand, is that consumers' habits change all the time, and you have to be flexible and move with that. So let's just have a very quick look at the application itself. And the important thing to understand is that everything you see here on the screen are the products that I buy on a regular basis. Coca-Cola, beer, Nivea shower gel, Colgate toothbrush. They're the things I buy every day. So this is highly engaging and highly relevant to me. And if we just click on one of them, please, Billy, if we look at finished dishwasher tablets, I buy them every month. I'm buying them every month. The transactional history shows I'm buying them every month. But now the bank is saying to me, just save 8%. All you need to do is be able to prove your purchase, and you can claim that money. And that is available across every single item in the grocery shop. So that means everything I'm spending every week, I can receive maybe 8%, 10%, 15%, or as we saw on the toothbrushes, 30% back, simply just by buying the same products I already buy. So the customer can do that by uploading a photo of their receipt. So they take a photo. We use receipt recognition to then understand every single item they've purchased, the price paid, the location, everything else. Or, as I've already shown you, they could link a loyalty card. So what we can then do is get that transactional history to, again, understand every single detail of the items they are buying. So why would brands pay for this? So very simply, brands are paying for this because they're only paying for buyers. It means they lower their actual costs as well, they increase their sales, and they increase their market share. So for brands, this is really good news. And of course, if they're paying for it, it means the banks and the financial institutions are not, therefore it lowers your loyalty program costs. So Billy's just actually going to quickly show us one of my recent receipts. And on this receipt, you can see that I'm actually due 61 cents just for one purchase, and that money, I'll show you in a moment, can really add up. Remember, this can be on every single item that I'm purchasing on my regular grocery item. And the reason we do it on grocery items, because they're everyday essentials, you have to buy them. I have to buy beer, I have to buy chocolates, you might have to buy diapers. So Billy's just claimed that 61 cents, and he's put it back into our main account, which shows that we have €8.31 from this week. And this shows you the list of items where I've earned cash back from this week. Now, of course, $8.31 doesn't seem a lot, but you add that up over every week, over every year, it can become a significant sum of money. So Billy, if we could just quickly reclaim that money, you see that I have some options. I can take that money as cash into any account. It's mine to do whatever I want with. I could use it to pay a telecommunications bill, or I could use it for something like waste and recycling, like a charity donation. So that's one that's important to me. I could use this free money that the bank has helped me gain to actually make a charity donation. That could go to Save the Children, Water Aid, or any sort of donation or charity that I would like. But in this instance, I actually want to use it to pay off my loan. So Billy, could you just click on the loan? You can see I've just used that €8.31 to pay my loan successfully. I make my regular loan repayments, and here the bank has helped me earn cash back on products that I'm already buying to pay my loan quicker. It means I pay my loan quicker, I save money on interest, and I increase my engagement and trust with my bank. So very quickly, we've shown you how you can use a new type of cashback that is funded by brands that lowers loyalty costs for banks. But at the same time, you increase the engagement, and you can actually work with your consumers to help make the world a better place with charity donations too. So I'm Darren Hughes, and this is Billy, and we are in the hall outside. You'll find us on the first stand right in the middle. It'll be a pleasure to see you.